So for today's conversation, I wanted to start off with a quick overview of what are the trends in cybercrime today, and then deep dive into how this is dealt with, and what are the investigation technologies that we use and the methodologies that we use to attend to or respond to a event that happens. Now, when it comes to cybercrime, of late, the majority of threats, especially faced by the Indian organizations or the Indian ecosystem, are more towards phishing, smishing, and wishing. These are the threats that are faced because even in an actual cyber attack, which has net impact on an organization, which brings it down completely, the initial entry point will be something as basic as phishing. And this is the initial entry point or the preferred entry point for most of the attackers because of the human element.